supposedly one of these hills here, like you can park at the bottom of the hill and put like powder on the back of your car, and then put your car in neutral, and then like ghost kids will push your car up the hill, and then you can go back, and your car will have like handprints on it. I don't know where that's at, but that's the story.
That's interesting. What is this area called?
Cassadaga. Cassadaga. All I know is full of psychics. Here's psychic jewel crystal readings.
It's full of like a
spiritualist camp, bookstore.
Well, that's interesting.
And then I think
Andrew Jackson Davis Educational Building and Bookstore. Hotel. See?
This is the hotel.
It's full, babe. It's full. Hotel.
There's probably a lot going on this weekend out here. This is probably about as full as it ever gets out here, but I've been out here one time before. I thought it was pretty cool. Yeah, the hotel, the historic center, spiritualist, psychic therapy center. So I guess this is the restaurant part. Maybe we can eat here.
So it's very colonial style. Yeah, those houses are very unique.
Yeah, yeah.
Very cool. That little house, so cute. They're definitely very colorful.
Mm-hmm. I like that.
Yeah, very spiritual. Agenda of things to do. Library, mediumship, teaching, reading, historical tours. We have night tour.
Yeah. And that's all the stuff over there.
Well, it's not Sunday, right?
Yeah, the 2 p.m. was the last event. That's okay.
Well, if you come here early. I think we just went to the ferry trail.
Okay.
But we didn't see the giant life-size butterfly wings.
Huh.
And they do have historical tours every Thursday, Friday, Saturday. About $15 per person.
That's interesting. Well, they're fun to go on.
I think it's the best that you took on the tour and then you tell me what they said.
Go in the evening. This one.
$25 per person.
Yeah, the evening tour. Myers Garden, Slater House, Fairy Trail, Horseshoe Park, Medicine Wheel Park.
I think we have already been this part. The summer, the Black Hawk part.
Yeah, because we came down here and the Summerlin House.
We already went to
And I saw the
Cove Lake.
Little gnomes. Yeah.
That's true, it's available.
So I really like her work. Basically, her work, it's the realization of her dreams. And she does not only picturize her dreams, but also looks like she did like intensive study about her dreams and intuition, and it's sort of more like an enlightenment. Let's look at her work. This one's being sold. This one's beautiful. Very beautiful. And this little small pieces of work. 35. It's part of the history of this building. And the respected Dr. Andrew Jackson Davis. The history. And if you want, you can buy one of the brick. Help them to restore the whole project. So interesting. They have all this kind of little, I don't know. I think I learned something. So the spirit's not just always like full body embodiment. It can be commonly like a spot, a round object.
There's some ectoplasm.
What is ectoplasm? Oh, okay. I feel like I'm so stupid.
And just in case you were wondering, these are here so you know these are not spirits. This is smoke.
Pretty obvious, huh?
That's condensation.
Wow, so this is an educating book.
Yeah.
Educational book.
Close up. So that was supposed to be, somebody was thinking of a spirit, but the closer it's just a moth.